Oh, there you are. Thought we lost you for a minute. All right, so we got to get ready for bed. We got to get in bed. We got an early morning off to Glacier, West Glacier, as a matter of fact, Mountain Meadows RV Park. We're going to stay there 3 days before we go to Canada, but we got to get some sleep first. So let's go to bed and get up in the morning.
And there was a lot of them.
Well, yeah, I'm just wondering if...
I mean, I vacuumed up probably a dozen of them at least.
Oh, there's none. Well, that was a horribly ugly drive.
It was gorgeous.
Absolutely
the
beautiful.
Snow.
Yeah?
On the
Yeah,
mountains.
I took a bunch of pictures.
Oh, it's amazing, wasn't it?
See all the animals?
Oh, crazy everywhere. Animals
Everywhere.
Everywhere. I said, if we go to Alaska and I don't see any wildlife, I'm going to ask for my money back. How cold is it, Mel? That's cold. That's cold. Oh, that'll light your twinkle right there. Because I'm happy. Oh, you want me to throw it? All right. You ready? You ready? Go. Oh. We're here at Glacier. Look how dirty that window is. It's horrible. We're going to have to do something about that. What do you think?
I think that we definitely have to wash the windows.
Yeah, they are nasty. But look at the view. Beautiful. And the drive-in was absolutely just amazing. All right, guys, good morning. So, yeah, we made it to West Glacier. We're here at Mountain Meadow RV Park's absolutely beautiful. We did, though, as you'll see, we brought some visitors, I believe, from our campground in Shelby, Montana, and we were up super late last night taking care of them.
We have bugs.
Well, no, they're moths.
It's an insect.
Well, yeah.
No, we have that screen.
There's one. Okay. Well, yeah, but. Get him out. Yeah.
Down in there.
Get it, Mel. Get it. Get the bug. Get the bug, Mel. Get the bug, Mel.
Please.
Oh, there's none. Oh, good catch.
I'm a pro.
Well, by now you've got like 20 or so in there. You never a dull, huh?
I'm gonna open the door and dump these outside.
Well, I would go outside and you can't just open the door because they'll fly right in. All right, I'll do it in my underwear. So yeah, I had the two fly swatters and I had my Ninja Chop and my Judy Chop and we knocked them out of the park. So I haven't seen any this morning. I think they're afraid to come back after the treatment I gave them last night. So the couple of days that we're here, we're scheduled for rain pretty much or overcast weather. We don't have a reservation to drive on the Sun Road yet. You've got to have a reservation now up until 3 p.m. So we're going to wait till 3 p.m. Then we're going to go into the West Glacier entrance and drive as far as we can on the going to the Sun Road. And I don't really know what we're going to be able to see because it's going to be highly overcast, but we're going to give it a shot. Not going to be able to film anything because I couldn't get in touch with the park department on permits. But we're going to do a little segment here on Glacier National Park to give you some background and some information. So let's get that done right about Welcome to Glacier National Park, a place where nature's grandeur unfolds before your eyes. Established in 1910, this park spans over 1 million acres, straddling the border between the United States and Canada. Its rugged terrain is a testament to the immense forces of nature that shaped it over thousands of years ago. Glacier National Park is renowned for its namesake glaciers, ancient remnants of the last ice age. Although fewer than 30 glaciers remain from the hundreds that once graced the park's landscape, their presence is a reminder of the delicate balance between nature's beauty and its vulnerability. But the park offers more than just glaciers. Its diverse ecosystems encompass pristine lakes, cascading waterfalls, alpine meadows, and dense forests teeming with wildlife. As you hike along the park's 700 miles of trails, keep your eyes peeled for a glimpse of the majestic grizzly bear, the elusive mountain goat, or the swift-footed bighorn sheep. One of the park's most iconic features is the Going to the Sun Road. Carved into the mountainside, this engineering marvel spans 50 miles and offers breathtaking vistas at every turn. With over 700 miles of trails, it offers endless opportunities for exploration. Strap on your backpack and embark on a multi-day adventure, camping under the stars, or immerse yourself in the solitude of nature. But remember, this wilderness demands respect and careful prep. Be sure to check in with the rangers and come prepared with proper gear and knowledge. So whether you visit Glacier for a day or embark on a grand adventure, let Glacier National Park forever etch its beauty into your heart.
Get ready, because here I come.
Yeah. So we're off to do Mel's favorite part of the entire trip. If anywhere we go, and that.
The grocery store.
Oh my God.
We're at Glacier National Park, and what are we going to do?
We're going to the grocery store. Yay.
Look at that sandwich right there.
Sandwich.
Huckleberry.
Soft top cookies. Oh God, I should have never come here. This was a horrible mistake, and I should have stayed home. Getting it, baby? All right. Sure, it's beautiful.
It's crazy. It's definitely.
It is, and it's
So
hard to.
like the mountains. Look at the mountains are layered over. I don't even know if I can get a good picture of it.
Yeah, it's hard to portray it where somebody can get.
Because, so you got the hazy part, but that's got snow on it.
Yeah.
Thanks for talking to me, Nico.
Yeah.
I
I'm glad you're here.
appreciate it. I'm glad to be here.
See, so if you subscribe, all this can be yours. You think?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So Glacier was kind of a bust for us. It's kind of disappointing in the fact that we weren't really able to get in and do anything. You got to have a reservation to travel the Going to the Sun Road from the west side from 6 a.m. to 3 p.m. After that, you can get in. But what we didn't know is that you have to have that reservation for driving the Sun Road to get into the park on the west side to do anything.
To access any of the trails, the lake,
Yeah.
to access anything. You
Before
can't get
before 3 p.m.
right. You can't get through the gate
Yeah.
without
No,
a reservation.
So they won't let you in without the, even if you don't want to drive the Going to the Sun Road, you've got to still have to have that Going to the Sun Road reservation to get into that side of the park. Now the east side of the park is not that way yet, but as of July 1st, it's going to be that way, and it'll be exactly the same. Second, we did go back yesterday after 3 p.m. to drive the Going to the Sun Road. They're doing road construction on the first 9 miles from the west side of the park entrance, so it's pretty rough and bumpy, and then you can only drive about 5 miles past that, and it's closed. The whole middle section of the Going to the Sun Road right now in June 2023 is closed for repairs. You can only drive, I think, 12 or 13 miles from the east side, so you actually can't drive the whole thing. The middle part, which is way up on the ridge and everything, you can't go to right now. So, to say the least, it was kind of disappointing. We did go to the Hungry Horse Montana Dam, which is right down the street from where we're staying, and that was pretty epic. You saw that in the video, so that was a lot of fun. But we're out of here tomorrow. We're heading to Canada to cross the border. So tomorrow, next week's episode is border crossing, so you don't want to miss that. Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell. Hopefully it'll be smooth, so stick around and join us next week when we cross the border. We'll go to Walmart and Boondock in Fort Steele, British Columbia, and all that crazy stuff.
And on our way to Bam.
Yep. So that'll do it for this one, guys. Until next time, take care of each other.
Love each other.
Make every moment count. We'll see you next time, guys.